Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel SPG Engineering Solutions. My name is Satish Kumar. This is our third video on training of MS Project. If you did not subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can continue receiving the notification when new videos on various training courses are uploaded. In today's video, we shall be learning about the introduction part of MS Project while we are going to go through. Let me start with the starting process of MS Project. Normally, you should when you do the setup installation on MS Project, you should have this kind of icon. It's I have put it on my desktop as well. But for you, if you don't have this kind of icon, what you can do is I just show you a shortcut way. Normally you have in recent, because I do have a recent, but if you don't have, you can go on a project. You will see this is app will be appearing. You right click on it, open file location, you go here and you will see that there's an icon here. You have two ways of doing this. One is that you can doing a copy, or you can create a shortcut as well. But for me, in my case, I just did the copy and I paste it on the desktop itself. So that's how this is asking to, because now definitely I already have it here. So it's asking me to replace it. So for the case of showing you for the demonstration, I just put it back here, and let's start let's open the project from here. So when you open the project, normally this is how it's represented, okay, and you will have various the templates here, but this is just for starting. You will see this is the window that it will appear, and you will also have some recent project that you have opened recently. So all the recent list will be appearing here. You will have any pinned the project that you have pinned it here, that also is going to be appearing here. If the guys who doesn't know that you can pin it or you can unpin it, then you can select it here, because it means that every time when you pin a project, it is all the time remains in your recent list, and anytime you can open it from here itself. You don't need to find out from your documents, and every time you have to go and look for in your document where you have stored the information or the project, etc. So it is always preferable for all the important ones that the projects that you have, you can pin it here. Okay, let's continue going further. We when in the same window, you will have different kind of tabs. You have so we started with home, then we have new tab. This is one of the important thing that I explain you a bit about on the new tab, because here we have different options. It means that when you open a new tab, you will have option number 1, which is opening a blank project. It means a new project which doesn't have any relation with any of the projects or any of the data that you have it on your computer. So it will be a blank new project, and then you will have the second option that is appearing here is new from the existing project. It means that there is an existing project, and that you want to have data from there, and you want to use the data from the existing project itself. Then there's a third option that you have is new from the Excel workbook. Excel workbook, it means that you have supposedly you have created some data already in Excel sheet, and you want to use the data from the Excel workbook on your MS project, because in the world of engineering, there are lots of ways the project management is being carried out, and they use different kind of tools to have to control their projects. So some of the project managers, or the engineers or the contractors, they like to control data from the Excel workbook, but and then they find sometimes difficulty, because they prefer MS Project later on because they find it more interactive. So but they have difficulty because they have already created a lot of data inside in Excel workbook, and then what they want to do is they want to have these data transferred to MS project. So that is the best way to transfer the data from there, but we will be going through this incoming videos. And so this is from Excel, and then you have from the SharePoint itself. If you have on SharePoint, you have the new video, new task list. You can also take it, import it from there. Then we have the third tab, which is open. Open means you can file from your drive, from your PC, or any place you want to add, or from the browse from the computer itself. You will see it gives you all sort of places where you can go in the it gives you the options, and then you have the recent one also appearing here. You have folders where you have the recent document where it was stored is also you can view from here. Then you have the account information of your of your project. Then the important is the feedback. If you want to give a feedback to the office, so whether you like something, you didn't like something, and also you have any improvement or new feature suggestion that you may have to the office. And then you have the one of the important is options. This option is something very important, that it give you a window like this. But this is like a setting of when this is sort of a setting tool where you can have various kind of setting done while you are working on the MS project. So this is the main introduction part today, and the introduction part will continue further on our second video. This was our first video for the small little introduction, and then the second introduction video will be coming shortly. So continue with us. Thank you very much for your for being with us. Thank you very much.